So for today's trading, I was pretty bearish because after yesterday's price action we had, but on a daily we are still in this consolidation phase. We have no target for the upside, no target for the downside. It's pretty as price action. Yeah, but I was bearish because after yesterday's price action we had this move down yesterday. I was pretty bearish, and in London we had the perfect move up to this fair value gap and reacted then from it. And in the pre-market we also were bearish, so for me it was obvious we have a bearish trade. I'm pretty mad at me because I didn't catch one move. I was at the market, but for me this trade is the perfect trade. We have here the first present fair value gap, and the first present fair value gap got inverse. We didn't inverse this gap here from pre-market, so this would be the perfect trade to this low or to this low. But for me, I don't know why, but I thought this is not a good risk to reward because I wanted to do my stop loss here, and this would be too much risk for me to take a trade. I don't know. It is a perfect trade. It is the perfect setup. It was the setup of the day. This is a 1 to 2 trade. I don't know why I don't take it, because I didn't see this as a target. I saw this as a target, and this would be a too small risk to reward for me. But possibly you could have taken this trade. It's a perfect setup. We come into this gap from pre-market. We didn't inverse this gap. We broke structure to the downside again and inverse this first present fair value gap. Bam, entry after this closer here. Entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, and you were done for the day after 26 minutes. But I don't know, I didn't catch the move. Then I waited and wanted to catch another move, another down move, and then I saw, okay, we hit my target here, but I waited and waited if we have still the bearish momentum here, but we could have reversed here. But I waited and saw, okay, we come into this fair value gap, we reacted from it, we have this fair value gap and inverse this fair value gap, and then I made directly my entry after we inverse this gap, sorry. Then I made my entry right here. I catched an entry pretty much down here. It's a pretty bad entry, but it's okay. I had my first take profit here and my second take profit here, and then I got one take profit and moved my stop loss at break even and got stopped out at this candle. It's okay, I'm fine with this trade. It's a break even trade with one take profit, and yeah, I'm pretty mad at me because I didn't catch the move, but I tried to trade after the move, so it's not pretty good to trade after the move happened, but I'm fine with it. The second trade is pretty much a FOMO trade. I wanted to get the challenge as fast as I can and wanted to make more money than I can, and yeah, I thought, okay, we broke structure here, we aren't bullish anymore, we have this big move up, we have this fair value gap, we reacted from this fair value gap with this candle, and then we broke structure here, and then I made my and then I made my entry right here after this reaction. Stop loss in the middle of the fair value gap, and take profit was here at the top. I would have left a runner to this buy side liquidity, but this was the trade. Yeah, I took the trade with 2 micros, I think. I don't know why it's not on here anymore. I took a trade with 2 micros and got stopped out. We moved down to my daily sell side liquidity, which was the end target of the day. We moved to there, and I got stopped out and lost about $21 because this first take profit was enough to let this loss to be small. Yeah, It's okay. I'm not happy with this today. I'm not happy with my trading performance today. And yeah, it's not really good. I need 400, no, 300, $550 to pass the challenge, to get my evaluation passed. And I wanted to get it with this trade today, but it didn't happen. And like I said, this first trade, this is the perfect entry here. This would be the perfect trade. You get first take profit, you move to break even, you didn't get stopped out, and then you hit second take profit. And with this trade I would be done with my challenge, but I don't know, I didn't want to take the risk, but then I took this risky trade, which is pretty stupid, and yeah, I'm fine with it. It's okay. Next week is another week and I will make money next week, and I will pass this challenge next week. I'm pretty confident that I can do it, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. We see us next week.